See. Oh. This is my friend, Ricky. Yan, si Raj. Raj, you look blogger. Ricky. Ricky is good.
I'm Ricky boy.
Yeah, boy. What?
Ricky boy. Ricky boy.
Boy? Ricky boy. That's the Philippines and Ricky boy is too much fighting.
Boy.
Ricky boy. Oh yeah.
Tap, 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 wrist. On glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8 on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8.
Good na to. No cook. Huh? No cook. When it's cooked, I will tell you it's cooked. But this one long time. That's why Arabic like na. Like more than half hour they will told you. How many hours this one? Sir, this one cook already. Okay, give me. They know. What is this salt?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Gulongo?
Galunggong.
Huh?
Galunggong.
No, gulongo. Sardines. Sardines. Yeah. Same sardines. Because fresh sardines. What time now? I will sleep now. Look, oh. Oh, see? Oh, using 9:30 now. 10 o'clock. Okay.
Coming hungry.
But I have work now. I go 5 o'clock wake up.
नीचे जाएगा चलो.
Huh?
नीचे
चलो
जाएगा.
चलो चलते हैं. You bring na? You bring along. I go down. Don't fight, okay? If fighting,
Uy.
call me.
Yung kipdar na.
No, if fighting, call me.
Ah, fighting.
Yeah, make very quickly. Make I will throw out.
Yan, iniihaw ni Ben. Kalupit ng inihaw na sibuyas, oh. Tangina. Ayun. Yun. Kano yung kilo niya, Ben?
Ilan?
Yan, tamban.
5 dirham lang yan.
Saan?
Doon sa may J-Mart doon. Sa may fish market doon. Tayo lang mamumulutan yan. Hindi naman mamumulutan sila yan eh.
Hindi na kumakain na.
Hindi ah. Kakainin lang dyan sibuyas.
Ayan, oh. Ayan, sibuyas, oh. Tangin ng barbie kong sibuyas. Oh. Saan ka nakakita ng binarbie kong sibuyas? Ayop na yan.
Tignan mo to.
Dapat lagyan na, kaya natin ng ano, ng ano yan, bawa.
Tol, tikman mo.
Hilaw pa yata?
Ito na yan, tol. Marinated yan. Hindi ko kakawala.
Sarap dito, Ben.
Pinabili ko kasi uli ng isa. Sa pang white doon. Bali.
Kala ko mabibili na yung relo natin eh.
Hindi nga tuloy. Tubusan ako sa daan to. No?
Kaya,
Oh, tapos kanina, may tumigiting yung gitara. Pirata na yung gitar doon sa may kwan. Sa may mabuti.
pinakita mo.
Sabi ko siya. Bibigyan sa yung gitara.
Baik na ba ito ba ito?
Putang na yung kuripot.
Bakit?
Putang na sabi ko. Binibenta ko ng kwan. Binibenta ko ng 800. Electric guitar mo.
Hindi, dalawa na yun.
No. 800 is electric guitar lang.
Ang isa.
Oo.
tinatingnan mo.
Sabi niya, isa lang kasi kailangan. Ito na, kunin mo.
Ano
Tapos
sabi?
lahat daw niya kasi wala daw sa timbangan.
Ano sabi?
Ano sabi niya, hindi ka.
Hindi, dapat i-dinil mo lahat yun.
Dinidil ko na nga. Sabi ko 1.5 na. Ayaw pa.
2 मिनट कितने टाइम में होता है
Ano naman, sabi ko bahala sa buhay mo.
अगर 200 नहीं मैं 500 गिरेगा उधर जाकर नहीं दिख रहा है गलती करो
Pera natin.
उसको बोलो ना अरे मेरे को नहीं दारू पिलाया और मेरा भाई है ना भाई ये पकड़ पैसा ना
Sabi ko, hindi ka.
ला कर दे
Hindi niya nagkakaan siya. Noong December lang binili ka.
ध्यान से रखो
Solar cam.
गिर जाएगा बाद में
Wala nang palit-palit ng battery.
मैं इधर ही खड़ा है मेरे को ले गया 5 मिनट के बाद उसको बोलो No, don't have eat Nagoya. It's okay.
I remove this one, ha? Black now.
No, it's okay.
Hindi, gusto ko na ito.
Yeah. You will remove now.
Gusto mo black now.
But you will taste this one, okay?
Yeah, you will taste it
Maybe
down.
you didn't taste this one. You just only like pressing. Just eat inside. No. We are really, you are delicious. This one. with rice.
Any sauce?
No.
Only that?
Only taste onion. Sulfur. You know sulfur?
Me eating the onion fresh. This one fresh, remove white onion. This one, no?
Yeah.
For me eating.
Me, I'm the farmer. You know.
Yeah, me eating.
That one my natural. When I'm drinking, if you are going with me one time my place, you forget Philippines.
Okay.
Where you part in India? Punjab.
Punjabi.
Punjab.
Barbecue. Fresh chicken. You don't know how many chicken in my house.
Mm.
Now born 11 baby, new one. The fighting baby. The like that, I have fighting chicken. I hope so I have beat you anyone.
Malaking lupa yun sa
They
India.
have farm.
May farm sila sa India.
Farm India.
No chicken fighting here.
Ah, sabong!
No chicken fighting. Me,
For fighting only?
chicken fighting like big chicken for fighting. If no win, I will cut that one. But picking.
Barbecue.
Oh, yeah. Why not win? Because I lost 21,000 dirhams na. 21,000 rupees.
Sabong, no?
Like 1,000 dirham na.
So, like
1,000 dirham.
Sabong
Like
yun,
in
sinasabi
Philippines,
niya.
Yeah, like Philippines.
Sabong, may sabong
Me,
nga sa
now
kanila.
11 baby, new one chicken.
Can I show the picture?
Tomorrow I will get back my brother. I will show you the new chicken, the baby boy.
But the big chicken there,
Big
right?
chicken fighting
Fighting.
like it,
Oh.
like
Hoy,
fighting.
you give the number, ha? Very. I give you the number big here. You cut the...
Yeah, better.
Bigay mo
You give me your number. I am the one
para
calling to
mapagubod
you.
siya, para.
Send mo sa akin.
Ha?
No,
Send mo sa akin.
no. I am the one calling to you. Kuya, come here only just to buy the machine. Yes, and you will make it in the bathroom. Make it.
But I cannot make a bird like that. Only machine.
Yeah, machine only. I only see that like this.
Because the
050 050 20 22 534 Ricky.
Ricky boy.
Ricky Boy. Ricky Boy,
Ricky not bakla, okay.
Oy, why Ricky? That is the name is similar to Philippines.
My name is Ricky.
What is your
Religion?
religion?
I'm Singh, Punjabi, Sikh, urban wearing. What I eat, everything, no problem. Only not eating dog, no cat, no man.
Meat baboy also? You eat also?
My favorite.
Oh, kumakain siya ng baboy.
Me eating, you see. 22, my girlfriend birthday. But
save-
I will
you save the
celebrate
number ko,
before
ha?
her birthday.
Okay, you save the number ko. Kuya Ben.
Kuya will be coming up.
Kuya Ben, ha?
Okay, bro.
Next
Because
time you
I
go in
did the-
Philippines, you do money market. Then so many people take the money. 5-6.
K-E-Y-A.
Ha?
K-E-Y-A, Kuya.
Kuya Ben. Kuya. Yeah. B-E-N. Oh, see? Ben. Yeah, Kuya Ben.
No, B-A-N.
Oh, yeah, bin.
Not bin.
Yeah.
You know bin?
Yeah, Ben.
Dust. Ben is different. Oh, Mallu! Balabari! Atar chut! Anieta! Where my
Malo pa rin ano.
Siga. Yan ka.
Ha?
Hello.
Siga. Yan. Pagka ko din namin dyan.
Mafi kar kar jana, where my
Ha?
Kaya, mabait ka. Kaya kakunti mo yan. Kuwat-kuwatan.
Kasi kapag nagpapatawag Pilipino, isang-isang din. Binalagyan mo rin. Ala.
Hindi mo mababa na tayo.
Very good. Next time pe agar तेरे को
Ito, ugasan na natin. Tapos, lalagyan natin yung isda.
बड़ा भाई
Para hindi na tayo ko.
किधर है वो तो लड़की है लड़का एक लड़की है
Malasan kamay ko yun.
कितना मालूम है
Isa ko
कितना
na, isa ko na.
है किधर है
Isa ko naman.
कल तक वो
Pulutin yan.
बताओ
Hindi mo kumakain sila.
समझाएगा नहीं
Natapos ko lang ako kanina. Tugasan ko. Para lagyan ko.
You will finish this one. You will down, put me down. Okay, actually.
I know that because if I saw the national, love
Then Kuya when first time
is
he said something.
I know.
Vijay. When
I know
heard
this friend.
he
This is a friendly for Filipino.
This one, you know, this is my love people. They don't be like this. I tell, today you spend money for me, you think tomorrow. Need more than to do it for me. One day you forget white and blue, 112 box. I will put there in the downside. You never forget to be like crazy.
Yeah.
You
Nalasing
see?
ako eh. Ito sa, you know, the salas, no?
Yala, yeah.
Ulo na ito, no? Lahat ng ulo, nagkanin lang yun.
I
All
told you.
kilo, no?
Yeah.
No?
I told you one time, one red horse, one big jet one. I told them, never tell to anyone there is whiskey. If anyone asks me, "Oh, there is whiskey." Never ask me who will drink, who will not drink. It's very cheap for me. How much the whiskey, you know? 12 whiskey, you know? How much? No? If I buy some beer and alcohol, no? If I spend 150 dirhams for us,
So many.
1 month, no need to buy whiskey upstairs. Then they will ask me, Kuya, kamu drink? No need, thank you, I keep on drinking. Where you buy? I don't know. Here, oh. You see, you will see when I make cooking. This month, you see. My girlfriend, when you start drinking whiskey, I know you're crazy.
Sometimes ask for me, my wife, you, my best friend, you're Filipino, no?
Yeah.
The another with me.
Yeah.
No, that time. I'm asking you, my wife, what must you drinking my wife? You asking, I'm asking your wife, what must you drinking Filipino, your friend, no?
Yeah.
Every day the drinking, they were you, no?
Me drinking every day, no problem. If I sleeping 12 o'clock or 5 o'clock, I have a alert to
slightly.
sleeping 5 lightly. Now I am only 3 shots, 4 shots, finish. 5 shots, I will go sleep, go down, eating chicken, banka, biryani. That one is good for me. But when I off day, use it. But next 22 his birthday. Next,
Oh,
When?
my girlfriend. Wait,
When dito? This month?
no, yeah, probably my girlfriend's birthday.
I think
Oh.
I'll go here.
Yeah, you will come here also. 22 her birthday. So we will celebrate it's 18 night. Thursday
18.
night. Thursday night 18. You will invite now. Don't think I'm drunk. You will also. We haven't. You are the one guy this
Yeah,
one.
because
Only.
my
We
My
are
house is
cooking
only-
everything here. We finish alone, no problem. I will cook every sweet here.
Yeah.
The new one. Everything for breakfast here. Like 9 in morning. I will cook every breakfast.
Oh?
The whiskey is for which one you want, I will bring. Mallu! Yalla, where whiskey?
Mallu nahi hai.
Huh? Huh?
अभी आएगा.
Call, call. Give me the
Call किया.
number. Ram.
नहीं वो दे दो नहीं.
Don't spit here, okay? I will kill you.
मुश्किल नहीं है.
हाँ.
लेकिन I will kill you. I will kill you.
Oh, equal part to my
I will
food.
kill you. नहीं
Give me number.
What? My number?
Oh, Malwari और दूसरा बंगाली और नेपाली का नंबर दो किधर है?
वो दे दो.
I give you money ना?
लेकिन
हिंदी में बात करो. हम तुमको पैसा दिया?
मैं आप मेरे को पैसे दो.
हाँ.
मैं आपको
Where
दे दूँगा.
whiskey?
अभी लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम है.
कितना टाइम लगेगा? I want to sleep. Give me whiskey. Give me number.
अभी आएगा. रुको.
उसका नंबर दो मेरे को. उसका
दो
नंबर.
मिनट. पाजी.
नंबर तो दो. नंबर तो दो. उसका. बड़े भाई का नंबर दो.
Please, पाजी.
I wait only. You know 9:49 now. 9:55. I call you back. Yalla go there again.
आपको आएगा ना पाजी. पाँच आपको कभी नहीं दिया.
I will throw you down if you not
मुश्किल नहीं.
because you don't have any sight.
Take it right now.
Yeah. I told you before one time.
I think it is third down.
Too much gear. Not forget I give you money.
मेरा चाबी रूम में बचा है.
No money. Give. I give him money.
You can
only.
give money.
Oh, where the? No, he haram me.
Key?
Get.
Room.
Okay, I give you key.
Your room key? My room key.
No.
Your room, my room, same. Yeah, stop it.
Where you put that one?
You like, what do you want? Oh, I taste this one, huh?
No. Oh, Arami Malabari. Eight.
Yeah,
Like.
you try.
Taste.
Hey.
Very good.
Yeah. Hey.
Good taste.
Chicken. Why you look at him? Hey.
आप मेरे को फिर गाली देगा. मेरे को
That is
इसलिए
chicken,
लगता है.
No.
This one, Kuya is marinated.
Yeah,
I can
I am
see.
the one.
I can what on no.
No.
He-
You know what he
will
said
go.
to me? He's make me
go.
bad if I eat that. I said no problem. You will get it.
Eat.
Eat, brother. This friendly, okay?
taste.
खाली मजाक
तो हमारा बड़ा भाई है.
बड़ा भाई तो भाई जो नीचे
मतलब
किधर
बड़ा भाई है.
बड़ा भाई किधर है
किधर होता है बड़ा
वो बड़ा भाई वही बोलते ना मेरे को नेपाली जब भी देखता है मेरे को बोलता है बड़ा भाई किधर है ओए केयरफुल हाँ CID
Only here.
No, before I stay here, like around 6 years, this flat, long time ago. Kuya went to meet me in the metro. Then in Kuya, I know you have girlfriend Filipino, if you want to stay. Because my one friend going to Philippines now, Leo, the Filipino guy.
Where's my whiskey?
Huh? They will bring. I want to bring here now because we have a here. Let me walk. Hi. I will throw you down. Mallu, oi. Hello.
What's up, madlang people? Nag-iiyaw kami ngayon ng isda. Pampulutan namin.
Sige, Ben.
Ito nga pala, oh. Nag-iiyaw kami ng tamban.
Ah, yun na po. Nahulog.
Tamban. Tamban to.